Hello everyone, and welcome to Best Gadget. In this video we will unbox, test and review, the Wolfbox S50 mirror dash cam. In general, this one of the best mirror dash cam in the market. High quality with the best price. In this video you can see all you need about it, from what inside the box, full review, installation step by step, and also a true test that show you videos from the dash cam. Upgraded from traditional mirror dash cam, Wolfbox S50 detaches the front camera from the main body, so it better fits original rear view mirror and will never block the side or left-right asymmetry like other mirror cameras. The detached HD front cam can be placed freely in a suitable position on the front windshield for a better angle and make the distance and image more realistic. Besides, it supports independent ISP image processing chip, unified front and rear image effects. Intelligent Dynamic Range IDR is a new image quality control technology based on intelligent scene judgment after WDR and HDR. With IDR technology, S50 can effectively adjust the exposure time of the photosensitive chip, while ensuring objects in the dark are clearly visible. It's the only mirror camera in the market that can capture license plates under strong light at night. And it can eliminate the glare and present a clear picture even under strong sunlight. In daytime, Wolfbox S50 car camera presents clear image no matter it's under strong sunlight or driving against light. At night it effectively guarantees the clear presentation of the dim road conditions, while minimizing the visual obstacles caused by dazzling high beams. So it can avoid traffic accidents to ensure driving safety. S50 also clearly display license plates under complex light, which provide the clearest evidence for the accountability of accidents. Wolfbox S50 digital car rear view mirror camera uses multi-wire integrated harness design, cleverly hides the wires behind the camera, making it more elegant and practical. In addition, it has all the basic functions of a driving recorder, loop recording, G-sensor, emergency recording, waterproof rear cam, and reverse assistance, 24H parking monitor, time-lapse recording, streaming media rear view, split-screen display, etc. Wolfbox S50 dash cam records 1920p HD footage front and rear simultaneously and provides 170 degrees front and 150 degrees rear wide-angle view. Equipped with 9.66 inches anti-glare full-touch illuminated screen, you can easily operate and adjust view angle by tapping the screen with your finger.